Sales repair? Let's look under the hood. Sales is a combination of psychology and skill, and there are many individuals that have the talent and possibly the skill, yet their mindset leads them to mediocrity or failure. Selling is more than pitching and closing. A sales professional understands they need to prospect, connect, build value, present, and close, then collect the check. This keynote focuses on the psychology of a top sales performer. I'll help your team uncover disempowering beliefs that are holding them back, and I'll share multiple tools and techniques for prospecting, closing, and most importantly, the belief that they can do it. I've turned around thousands of sales professionals, and I'll do it for your company as well. I've been the top sales professional at every company I've worked for, and I'll break down my sales strategy one step at a time. Engaging, entertaining, and fun. So if you want to boost your company's sales, this is the talk for you.